is Jericho Alimbaba, a second-year student of ISU Kawayan campus and taking the course of PS Information Technology. My report is about data communication. Data communication is the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium. It is a process of using computing and communication technology to transfer data from one place to another or between participating parties. For example, a computer connected to the internet via Wi-Fi connection which use a wireless medium to send and receive data from one or more remote devices. Five characteristics of effective communication. It uses the same transmission medium and languages. Direct and indirect communication, mutual understanding, continuous process, use of words as well as symbols. Data refers to information presented in whatever form of whatever form is agreed upon by parties creating using the data. Data is a collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurements, observations, or just descriptions of things. Example is weights, price, cost, number of items sold, tax codes, and registration marks. Three fundamentals of data communication. We have delivery, accuracy, timeliness. In delivery, the system must deliver data to the correct destination, while in accuracy, the system must deliver the data accurately, and in timeliness, the system must deliver data in timely manner. Components of data communication. We have message, it is information to be communicated. Sender, it is the device that send the data message. Receiver, it is the device that receive the message. Medium, it is the physical path by which a message travel from sender to receiver. Data representation. In data flow is a software of paradigm based on the idea of disconnecting computational actors into stages that can execute concurrently. Data flow can also be called stream processing or reactive programming. Here are types of data flow. We have simplex. Simplex is a communication is unidirectional. Example of simplex is radio, broadcasting, television broadcasting, computer to computer to printer communication, keyboard to computer communication. In half duplex, each station can both transmit and receive but not at the same time. Example of half duplex is a walkie-talkie and two-way radio that has a push to talk button. Lastly, we have full duplex. It is a both station can transmit and receive simultaneously. Example of full duplex is a plain old telephone service that the both end parties of the call can speak and heard by the other party simultaneously. Network criteria. A network must be able to meet certain number of criteria. The most important are performance. It can be measured in many ways. Transit time. It is the amount of time required for a message to travel from one devices to another. Response time. It is the elapsed time between an inquiry and a response. The performance of the network depends on many factors such as number of users, types of transmission medium, capabilities of the hardware, and efficiency of the software. Reliability, it is the measured by the frequency of failure. Time it time it takes a link to recover from failure, and network robustness in catastrophe. In security, how the work protect data from unauthorized access. In network, we have categories. The network is categorized with the following factors. We have size, ownership, distance it covers, and physical architecture. Here, here is the chart showing the examples of local area network, metropolitan network, and wide area network. Network it is a group of connected communication devices such as computers and printers. A network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources such as exchange files or allow electronic communications. The computer on a network must the computer on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, or infrared lights. Physical topology. It refers to the way in which a network is laid out physically. Physical topology refers to the interconnected structure of a local area network or LAN. The method employed to connect the physical device on the network with the cable and the types of cabling used is connected to physical topology. Here are categories of physical topology. We have mesh, bus, star, and ring. In mesh, communication is point to point, while in bus, signal are shared with the backbone cable. In stars, signals are passing through the central devices, and ring, signal are circulates with the network. That's all guys. Thank you for watching and have a good day.